Hey guys, we have been busy. Alan has been making boxes like they're going out of style. Take a look. We're gonna do competing potatoes here. Ruth stout potato in one, soil in the other. And we also have got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new boxes. I was able to order more of the hardware cloth, and this time we got even smaller mesh. Cost a little bit more, but we got these huge rolls. And I got 2, so I have enough for the rest of my life. So I never have to order that again. We have all these leftover timbers sitting in the front yard of the cottage we're living in, so we're going to be reusing those. You can see Alan getting ingenious here. Put an extra 2x4 in, added some extra metal. Pretty amazing. So we've got lots of raised beds to ramp up food production. We just showed you a video. We planted this with 6 varieties of things. We have cilantro and radish and kale, cauliflower, 2 types of beets. And Leah's over here now in our newest bed, which is kind of geometric, which is really cool. I like to switch up the designs here. And what are you planting?
There's 2 kinds of carrots here. We've got sprouting broccoli, otherwise known as broccolini, sprouting turnip, and parsnip, and cabbage. All
right. So we got another multivariate bed, and the seeds we're using are, they're from wherever we get them. So these are Harris model parsnip. They take a long time. That's why we need to get them in the ground now. And then this broccolini that everyone's talking about. You pay $4 a pound for it. We're gonna grow pounds of it and eat it. Take a look.
Delicious.
And so, Franci Seminiti. You can get those Italian seeds. They have a U.S. contingent. I also threw in some Lovage in here, which is a type of perennial type of celery. It's not really in the celery family, but it has the same flavor and look, and you can use it the same way in cooking. It's also perennial to zone 3, so hopefully we get a row of Lovage up in there. We've been trying to get Lovage for a while, huh?
Yeah.
I think we might have one perennial in the back that's good. It's still coming up. And I'll show you what that looks like because I have the seed pack down here. And then I also prepared some areas, this one for peas, snap peas, sugar snap. Something we can plant right now and grow. And I always buy in bulk. I mean, we've been planting these for years and there's still years worth of peas left. You can also save your peas quite easily. And that's what Sedano de Monte, the Lovage, looks like. Just a nice fragrant herb, and a perennial, so excellent. So I have this cattle panel that I repurposed as a trellis for our peas. And in the back of the pack they say plant them 6 inches apart, and those are my rows are about 6 inches apart, and I have the peas boom 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 every maybe 3 inches, and you want to go way down with them. See how deep I just went? You want to go down a full inch for these peas, especially if you have new soil like I just put in here, some new topsoil. Boom, boom, boom. Get them in there deep. Don't be scared. You can always come out in a week and plant more peas right here if they didn't come up. So there's no harm in that. Just make sure you get them in there. Oh look, a pill bug has joined us. And so hopefully we'll have some sugar peas in about a month here. And then, let me get all these in. And then a special guest just arrives. We'll have to get him on camera. Alright, so that's how you plant peas. I'm done. Now you water them and wait. No brainer. Push the peas in the ground. There's the raised bed legend, Alien Alan. So I can just take you on a quick tour and show you some of the stuff that's coming up now. A few months before our last frost. And this is a really early plant here. And it was used as a medieval herb for flavoring meats. Tastes pretty astringent. So that's nice. We also have a rhubarb in here, but it doesn't seem to be coming up. The one thing that we do have pushing up is our garlic, which we've planted everywhere. And that's down here. We're waiting on our first blooms, probably 4 weeks away on our fruit trees. And we got this nice little bonza here. So we brought some of our crops out to the shade house the other night, and they didn't fare so well. Only half of them made it. And we're just going to keep bringing more stuff out to the shade house until we have success and we can start planting out. Hope you got something out of the video. It's a beautiful day to grow something.